Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to track daily expenses on Goodbudget. Tracking daily expenses in Goodbudget is one of the simplest way to stay in control of your money, and the app allows the envelope budgeting system where your income is divided into categories called envelopes, and every expense you make is recorded under one of them, and this helps you clearly see where your money goes. First, open any of the browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar. Type down goodbudget.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So in the top right corner here, over here you can simply add a new expense. In the top left there's an add transaction. Click onto this add transaction here, and over here what you can do is you can select the expense to record money you've spent. You can simply type down your payee as well, type down the amount and select the envelope. For you can split into multiple groceries, gas, or saving as well, and type down the amount and type down your notes, save it on the bottom over here. And choosing the right envelope is the most important step because it updates your budget automatically, and save the transaction on the bottom and the amount will be deducted from that envelope. You will instantly see how much money is left in that category and make it a daily habit to get the most benefit. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.